it's Miss Neighbour and it's time for some singing. If I sang, hello everyone, could you sing, hello Miss Neighbour? Let's try that. Hello everyone, hello Miss Neighbour. Good stuff. If you're not already standing, can you please stand up? You say, yes we can stand up. Check your posture and copy me. 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1, switch. One more time. 3, 2, 1, switch. And shake out. Touch your nose and wave. This hand is going to go in front and touch your ear. Now, 3, 2, 1, switch. So your opposite hand should be over the one in front of your nose, holding your ear. 3, 2, 1, switch. This one comes around the front. Have you got it? 3, 2, 1, switch. And switch. And shake out. Let's have a proper good shake out. We're going to do a rubber chicken, but we're going to say rubber kingfisher at the end. You ready? 8 times, then 4 times, then twice, and then once. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rubber kingfisher. Brilliant. Let's do it up and down our body this time. So it's going to be 8 times. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. You're going to disappear right down to the bottom. Are you ready? Ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rubber kingfisher. Let's do some breathing. So put your hands on your stomach and imagine you're inflating a balloon in your stomach. Breathe in and out. Make sure you're not moving your shoulders. In and out. My turn, your turn. Shh, 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 shh. If you can. Woo! Give me a oh no. Why me? Aha. Wow. Let's go from our lowest note to our highest note on an R. So we're going to go ah. Go. Ah. Brilliant. Can you give me a nina nina? Ding dong, ding dong. Yalla-hee-hoo. Say lickety-spit. Lickety-spit. Lickety-rickety-trickety-spit. Tillipip, hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. And now let's go slow motion. Say lickety-spit, lickety-spit, lickety-rickety-trickety-spit, lickety-rickety-trickety-spit. Toodle-a-pip, toodle-a-pip, hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. Now let's go high voice. Say lickety-spit, lickety-spit, lickety-rickety-trickety-spit. Toodle-a-pip, hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. Now let's go fast forward. Say lickety-spit, lickety-spit, lickety-rickety-trickety-spit. Toodle-a-pip, hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. And now we're out of breath, so now we stop. Try doing the stop with me. And now we're out of breath, so now we stop. And now we're out of breath, so now we stop. And now we're out of breath, so now we stop. This is CCC and it's a song from the Congo. The translation means a young boy is sunbathing at the foot of a pineapple tree and he plays a trick on his aunt by putting a banana in her red hat. Have a listen. Si, 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 do la da, yakusine la du bana. Si, 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 do la da, yakusine la du bana. That's the first line. I'm going to put the words here for you. Let's start there. My turn. Si, 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 do la da. Your turn. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Bit slower this time. Si, 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 do la da. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Try that one again. Yakusine la du bana ha. Again. Yakusine la du bana ha. Have a listen to the pitch. It goes si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. Your turn. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. One more time. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. So be careful of that. Yakusine la du comes in quite quickly. From C. Off we go. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. We always do it twice. Si, 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 do la da. Yakusine la du bana ha. Here's the second line. See if you can draw the shape of the pitch with your hand. Bana ha, yakusine la du bana ha. Can you see the shape? My turn. Bana ha, bana ha, bana ha, bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Lovely. See if you can join that together. Off we go. Bana ha, bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Again. Bana ha, bana ha. Yakusine la du bana ha. Great. Still feel the pulse in your body, and let's have those long ha's at the end. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, then detached. Yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Off we go. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Great. Can you remember the first line? It's si, 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 off we go. Si, 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 da, la, da, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Si, 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 da, la, da, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Repeat. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Here's the third line. It starts nice and high, so make sure you're sitting up straight and your bellies are full of air. It goes. Just sing that first note for me, that nice big one. Take a breath with me. Good. Don't be shy. Make sure it's coming from your belly. You take a nice breath before and open your mouth. Here we go. Well done. Let's finish the phrase. It goes. Your turn. Great. So there's a big jump from the second line into the third line. You just done. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. You've got to jump all the way up to. Ba-na-ha, yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Repeat. Breathe. Well done. That's the whole song. If there's any lines you're unsure of, rewind and go back over them. We're going to piece that all together. So your first one starts here. Si, 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 da, la, da. We do that twice. What was the second line again? Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha, with the long phrases. And the last one was. Let's see if we can do the whole thing. Off we go. Si, 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 da, la, da. Yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Si, 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 da, la, da. Yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Ba-na-ha, ba-na-ha. Yakusine la du ba-na-ha. Brilliant. So you can sing the song like that, or you can put it into a round. We might try that another time. This is I Can Take My Tea Without Sugar, Sugar. It goes, I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can take my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Do you see what I'm doing? Spelling out the letters of the word sugar. My turn, your turn. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. Let's do those two lines together. Off we go. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. Listen to the next bit. sugar, sugar. Your turn. sugar, sugar. Make sure you're going for that top note. sugar, sugar. Your turn. sugar, sugar. Last line. I can take my tea without sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. Ready, steady, from the beginning. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. Sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without sugar. Now you've got that melody, make sure you've got that one. We're going to add a clap on the letter S, like this. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without UGAR, UGAR, UGAR. I can take my tea without UGAR. How'd you get on? What's going to happen next? I'm going to add the U, so clap on S and U. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without GAR, GAR, GAR. I can take my tea without GAR. Next letter. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without AR, AR, AR. I can take my tea without AR. I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without R, R, R. I can take my tea without R. Ready? I can take my tea without sugar, sugar. I can take my tea without I can take my tea without. Good. I'm sure you remember this one. This is I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Speak that for me. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Good. The tune is I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm awake, alert, alive. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Do you remember the actions? I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. So that was alive, alert, awake. Your turn. Alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. So it's knees, clap, click, speak it. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Sing it. Off we go. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Now watch this. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm awake, alert, alive. Your turn. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm awake, alert, alive. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Brilliant. Make sure you've got that. Maybe you can try it a bit faster. Off we go. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm awake, alert, alive. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Well done. If you're ready for another challenge, miss out enthusiastic and use your thinking voice instead. Off we go. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm awake, alert, alive. I'm alive, alert, awake. Next one to miss out is alive. Off we go. I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alert, awake. I'm awake, alert. I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic. Let's miss out awake. I'm alive, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert. I'm alert, alive. I'm alive, alert, enthusiastic. If you're looking for another challenge, see if you can reverse the actions. So instead of alive, alert, you start at the end. Alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Have a go with that one.